Positive visualization routine. Welcome to our positive visualization routine, a practice designed to uplift your spirit and manifest positive energy. Remember to wear comfortable, loose clothing that allows you to sit or move easily. Find a quiet space. Sit comfortably and take a moment to immerse yourself in the silence. Let's dive into the power of positive visualization. Get into a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths to center yourself in the present moment. Envision a scenario where you achieve a personal goal or experience joy. Picture the details, emotions, and surroundings. Let the positive energy fill your being. Feel the emotions associated with this positive visualization. Whether it's accomplishment, joy, or gratitude, let these feelings resonate within you. As you open your eyes, carry this positive energy with you. Thank you for joining our positive visualization routine. Until next time, may your journey be filled with positivity and success. And remember, breathe deeply and find inner peace.